Hello guys, today I'm here to present you the top 10 cheapest VOLT smartphones available at Flipkart and Amazon. The first in our list is the Lenovo 8000, which is named as the cheapest in our entire list. See, we can see the price there 3698, which is really very less, and in Amazon it's almost nearly the same 3745. So if this product fits your budget, you may buy this through the description that is given in my description box. The features of this phone are quite simple, like it has 1 GB RAM and 8 GB ROM, which are the minimum specification of any Android mobile. It is expandable up to 32 GB. That's quite impressive. 4-inch WVGA display. Okay, that's fine. 5 MP primary camera. That's nice. 0.3 MP camera, which I consider it's quite lower than the average smartphone. And it also have a Speedtrum processor. Let's go to the next. So buy this product through the link given in the description if you like this product. The next one in our list is the Swipe Elite 2 Plus Charcoal Black 8 GB. It has a flat rate of 4444 from Flipkart. It has 1 GB RAM. The product image is quite nice. It is quite attractive. 8 GB ROM, expandable to 32 GB. 5 MP primary camera, 2 MP front, and 2050 Lion battery. So if you want to buy this product, you have the link in my description below. The next one after this comes the Samsung Z2, which I consider to be the best in quality wise if you are looking for a cheap smartphone that also VOLT. So you can see the price as 4590, which is really very less. From Flipkart and Amazon also have the same price tag. The features you see: 1 GB RAM, 8 GB ROM, 4-inch display, which is quite lower than the most of the Samsung smartphones. So let's move on to the next slide. Then comes the Zolo Era, which is really very impressive as you can see the image. It has an 8 GB internal storage, 1 GB RAM, 8 GB ROM, expandable up to 32 GB, 5-inch HD display, and the display of this is, I can say, it's really very good. If you are going for a cheap mobile that also VOLT, I recommend you to go for this. The next one in our list is Unique Black 8 GB. This is also quite impressive through its processing power. 1 GB RAM, 8 GB ROM, 4.7 inch, which is quite small actually. 8 MP camera, which is impressive. 2 MP front, 2000 mAh battery. So if you like any of these products, you can click on the link which is in the description given below and buy these products instantly. So the next in our list is the Intex Cloud String V 2.0. As you can see, its dashing look. It has the 2 GB RAM, 16 GB internal ROM, expandable up to 32 GB, 5-inch display, 8 MP camera, and 5 MP front, which is quite good for selfies. The next one comes the Coolpad Note 3 Lite. As you can see, its image is quite impressive. This is one of the cheapest and the best products available. So as a matter of fact, it is available only in Amazon. You can get it through the link that I have given below. See the features: 13 MP primary camera with beautification HDR and a 5 MP front facing camera, which helps you to give a good selfie experience. So, and it has a 5-inch HD display, Android 5.1 Lollipop, 32 GB, and see the dual SIM micro SIM 4G plus 4G. That means you can insert two 4G SIMs together at the same time. That's quite impressive. You also get a 1 year manufacturing warranty and 6 months manufacturer warranty for inbox accessories, like you have the batteries from the date of purchase. So you all have the link below. You can choose them and click to buy. The next one in our list, the Panasonic P5F Novo. The midnight blue color is quite impressive. See the price tag 6699. It is not at all high. 2 GB RAM, 16 GB ROM, 5.3-inch HD display, 13 MP camera, which is very nice. 5 MP front, 2500 mAh battery. The next one in our list is the Euphoria black and silver. It's a nice mix. As you can see the silver edges, that's quite impressive. 2 GB RAM, 16 GB ROM, 32 GB expandable, 5 inch, then 8 MP front, 5 MP, I'm sorry, 8 MP back and 5 MP front. Then you have the 2230. The battery is quite nice, and you have a 1.2 GHz quad core Qualcomm Snapdragon processor. The next one in our list is the Redmi 3S, which is the beast of its price. It has a lot of functions and you get it in such less price. So what else do you need? Just hit the link below and buy it right now. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and share. If you like this video, I hope this helps you purchase the products, and please share to help your friends too.